Namaskar. Today I will discuss the examples on linear equation with regular singular points. Fourth example, x square y double dash minus 5xy dash plus 9y is equal to x cube. The initial equation is q of r is equal to r into r minus 1 minus 5r plus 9 is equal to r square minus 6r plus 5 9 and has roots r is equal to 3 and r is equal to 3. The 3 is repeated roots of multiplicity 2 times. Therefore, pi 1 of x equal to x cube and pi 2 of x equal to x cube log x are basic solutions of corresponding homogeneous equations x square y double dash minus 5xy dash plus 9y is equal to 0. The particular solutions will be determined by using variation of constant method. Let psi is equal to u1 of x pi 1 of x plus u2 of x pi 2 of x be a solutions of equations y double dash minus 5 by x y dash plus 9 by x square y is equal to x. Then u1 of x equal to w1 of t b of t dt divided by w of pi 1 pi 2. Here b of t is equal to t. W of pi 1 pi 2 is equal to x square log x 3x square plus 3x square log x is equal to x raised to 5. W1 is equal to 0 x cube log x 1 x square plus 3x square log x is equal to minus x square log x. Wt is equal to x cube 0 3x square 1 is equal to plus x cube. u1 of x equal to integral from minus x cube log x into x divided by x raised to 5 is equal to minus integral of log x divided by x dx. Put log x equal to t. Therefore 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Therefore integral of t dt is equal to t square divided by 2 dt. Therefore 1 minus 1 by 2 log x square. u2 of x equal to x3 x log x divided by x5 is equal to dx divided by x is equal to log x. Psi of x equal to u1 of x pi 1 of x plus u2 of x pi 2 of x is equal to minus 1 by 2 log x square x cube plus log x cube log x is equal to 1 by 2 x cube log x square. The general solution is pi is equal to c1 pi 1 plus c2 pi 2 plus psi is equal to c1 x cube plus c2 x cube log x plus 1 by 2 x cube log x square. The initial equation is next one. Initial equation is q of r is equal to r into r minus 1 into r minus 2 plus 2r into r minus 1 minus r plus 1 is equal to r minus 1 into r square minus 2r plus r 2r minus 1 is equal to r minus 1 into r square minus 1 has roots 1 1 minus 1. Since 1 is the roots of multiplicity 2 pi 1 of x equal to x pi 2 of x equal to x log x and corresponding 2 minus 1 and pi 2 of x equal to pi 3 of x equal to x raised to minus 1. The general solution is pi 1 of x equal to c1x plus c2x log x plus c3x raised to minus 1. Find all solutions of the following equation for modulus of x greater than 0. X square y double dash plus xy dash plus 4y is equal to 1. X square y double dash minus 3xy dash plus 5y is equal to 0. X square y double dash minus plus xy dash minus 4 pi y is equal to x. The initial equation is q of r is equal to r into r minus 1 plus r plus 4. Therefore r square my plus 4 is equal to 0 and r square is equal to minus 4. Therefore r is equal to plus minus 2i. Since both the roots are distinct, pi 1 of x equal to modulus of x raised to 2i and pi 2 of x equal to modulus of x raised to minus 2i. The general equation solutions of equation homogeneous equation is pi 1 of x equal to c1 modulus of x raised to 2i plus c2 modulus of x raised to minus 2i. The particular solutions will be calculated by variation of constant method. Case first, x greater than 0. If x greater than 0, then modulus of x equal to x, pi 1 of x equal to x raised to 2i, pi 2 of x equal to x raised to minus 2i. Let psi of x equal to u1 of x, pi 1 of x plus u2 of x, pi 2 of x be a solutions of x square y double dash plus xy dash plus 4y is equal to 0. Then u1 of x equal to w1 of x p of x dx divided by w of pi 1 pi 2 and u2 of x equal to w2 of x p of x divided by w of pi 1 pi 2 or dx, where b of x equal to minus 1 by 2 1 by x square. W of pi 1 pi 2 is equal to x is to 2i, x is to minus 2i, 2i x is to 2i minus 1, minus 2i x is to minus 2i minus 1 is equal to minus 2i x is to minus 1, minus 2i x is to minus 1 is equal to minus 4i divided by x. Therefore w1 of x is equal to 0, x is to minus 2i 1 minus 2i x is to 2i minus 2i minus 1 is equal to minus x is to minus 2i. W2 is equal to x is to 2i 0, 2i x is to 2i minus 1, 1 is equal to x is to 2i. u1 of x equal to integral from minus x raised to minus 2i 1 by x square divided by minus 4i divided by x dx is equal to x is to minus 2i minus 2 plus 1 divided by 4i dx is equal to x is to minus 2i divided by 4i into minus 2i is equal to x is to minus 2i divided by 8. Therefore u2 of x equal to integral of x is to 2i 1 divided by x square divided by minus 4i divided by x dx is equal to integral of x is to 2i minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 4i dx is equal to x is to 2i divided by minus 4i into plus 2i is equal to x is to 2i divided by 8. Thus psi of x equal to u of x pi 1 of x plus u2 of x pi 2 of x is equal to x is to minus 2i divided by 8 into x is to 2i plus x is to 2i divided by 8 into x is to minus 2i is equal to 1 by 4 for x greater than 0. Pi of x equal to c1 x is to 2i plus c2x is to minus 2i plus 1 by 4 is the solutions of given equations. Case second, x less than 0. If x less than 0, then modulus of x is equal to minus x and pi 1 of x is equal to minus x is to 2i and pi 2 of x is equal to minus x is to minus 2i. Let psi of x is equal to u1 of x, pi 1 of x plus u2 of x, pi 2 of x be a solutions of the given differential equation. W of pi 1 pi 2 is equal to integral of minus x is to 2i minus x is to minus 2i minus 2i minus x is to 2i minus 1 2i minus x is to minus 2i minus 1 2i divided by minus x plus 2i divided by minus x is equal to 4i divided by minus x and wi is equal to 0 minus x raised to 2 minus 2i 1 2i minus x raised to 2i minus 1 or minus 2i minus 1 is equal to minus x raised to 2 minus 2i. W2 is equal to minus x raised to 2i 0 minus 2i into I minus x raised to 2i minus 1 1 is equal to minus x raised to 2i. B of x equal to 1 by x square. U1 of x equal to W1 of x, B of x divided by W of pi 1 pi 2 dx is equal to and so on. This is solutions.